Hey guys, this is Dwight here, Retro Crypto YouTube channel. Got another exciting video for you guys today on ZEN. ZEN is doing awesome. I did a video just the other day and the response was huge. I have to give the people what they want, so we have more ZEN videos coming. Um, Today's pretty exciting. There's a lot of market movement within the project, and it's going to remain volatile, especially when Jack Levin, the creator, is then expected it to be worth zero right now. This is very exciting. But before we get started, I got to remind you guys, I'm just an ordinary guy out there on the internet with a passion for cryptocurrency. It's essential that you do your own research before making any and all financial decisions. All right, guys, so let's just dive right in here and let's talk some Zen. If you're not aware of Zen, you can actually mint it for free, but you do have to pay for the gas fees on Ethereum, Binance, Phantom, Polygon, whatever blockchain you choose to, Doge chain. Doge Dogecoin. I don't really know how Doge works, blockchain works, but anyway, I'm not a fan of Doge, but it doesn't matter. It's there and it works, and that's what makes it awesome. But let's start right here, guys. I did a tweet the other day, and it's a basic poll. I started yesterday. It has 54 votes, and basically it says, "Which one are you more excited about today? Not tomorrow, not when Pulse Chain launches. Today, choose one and retweet to increase poll accuracy." Well, 37% voted for Hex, and 63% voted for Zen. That's out of 54 votes. Now it's going to be running for 5 more days. So if you're not following me on Twitter, please follow me, Retro Crypto. There's a link below in the video. The more followers, the better. And anybody that follows me, I'm gonna follow you right back, just so you know. That's just how I roll. All right, so let's jump forward. But I thought that was kind of useful information right there. All right, now I was going right into the charting. I'm a charting guy. I love to chart. And right now we're going to dive right into the what is this here? All right, we got the VRVP up here, up and running right now. And what the VRVP, what this chart does is, depending on how much of the history of the crypto project or stock, to tell you the truth, it will um, it will change the support, the resistance levels, and it's a pretty cool tool. So right now we have this starting out on October 20th, and you'll see that the upper support. So this is the upper resistance point, which is at 0.0006. So that's basically that's the point we need to break through to really get bullish, guys. Which I mean that was just established on yesterday. So I mean, that's great. That's actually good news, guys. You don't want to be too greedy. I like to see things go up and down. Nothing should go straight up. When things go straight up, trust me, they tend to come straight back down eventually, especially in the crypto world. Um, Now looking here, right here, the center line here, I actually put this line in. Our support level is actually sitting at 00, sorry, 000033 right now. But the lower support line that the chart actually built is resting at 0.0001. So right now it's the actual support level right here. And the way that it works when a chart draws these out is that it's basically how can I put it so it makes sense? So okay, so basically it draws out depending on how much of the history you drag out. It tells you the upper support and the bottom resistance, and then and then the mid range where it's currently at, and it's established by the volume over here, and it's called the VRVP. Now, also within this is the Bollinger Bands, and the Bollinger Bands you read them very similar to the RSI. It's pretty much the same kind of deal, but basically right now it's indicating whenever it's underneath of this center line it's on the oversold side of things. So currently Zen crypto is oversold, and we want to get it back above that band so we could get a little bit more bullish because it felt good, I must admit. And the RSI has it listed. It's not oversold yet. It's really in its neutral territory right now. Slightly overbought, but not really. So it's really neutral with the RSI. But it's a little bit of a pullback, but pullbacks are good in my opinion. Now, if we look over here with the my knockoff version that's free on TradingView of the market cipher, you'll see that there was a short signal that fired off right there. The little red X is a short signal, and that was on November 3rd at 4 p.m. And after that short signal, you can see that it definitely did a drop from that point down. Right here, you on the Cipher B chart, you'll see that this sell signal was verified twice actually, and with the pullback. So I mean that's going to be what it's going to be in so many words. The volume is low. The momentum is definitely on a downward trend right now. The cash flow into the crypto market right now is positive, but the overall momentum down here is definitely starting to go downward. And basically, like here with this little green dot for a buy signal, and you can kind of get a feel of how that works there. Right now, we're on a downward trend. We're starting this wave, this light blue right here, which is the beginning of the next wave, and it's probably going to drop down some, guys, because it nothing goes up forever. Now, what I'm hoping is that it holds out right here. That's my support level that I'm hoping that it holds at, and that's at the 0.00025. Now, while I'm charting, I want to remind you guys, Jack Levin, his vision isn't for us to mint these tokens and just sit on them. He wants you to spend them. And he wants you to go right back in and mint some more. That's part of the vision. It's part of the dream. I thought I should mention that just to remind you guys. That's what we're supposed to be doing. Now, granted, have I taken any profit yet? No. I'd be a hypocrite and a liar if I said I did. But I'm thinking about it, and because I got a ton of mints coming. All right, let's take a look at the next chart here. All right, right now you're looking at the exponential moving average, and you'll see that it's definitely it's not bullish anymore, guys. Sorry, it's definitely going in with a bearish trend right now. It's not horrible, but the lower it gets down within the bands, the more bearish it is. So, but it's definitely not in the bullish territory. And just for curiosity's sake, if I put it on a 1 hour chart, it's extremely bearish. So yeah, we're definitely bearish right now, guys. Now this is the Ichimoku. Ichimoku is pretty cool. I like to play with it. There's not that much history with Zen when using it, but it's still a cool chart and it's very reliable. The guys out there, for you folks that's been following me for a while, you know I love to use it with Hex, and it's pretty reliable over time. Um, but it's very simple to read. Red is bearish, green is bullish, and what it does is it predicts the future actions a of a crypto based on previous indicators. So movements, market movements, and right now till for the next 4 days out to November 4th, it's predicting that it should stay bullish. But I do see a speck of red kicking in right there. So, but for the next 4 days, it should stay bullish to some degree, but not a major drop off. So we have to see how this plays out. Like I said, though, this project hasn't even been around that long. So let's just see. Now, if I put this on, and that's just, yeah, I had to do an hour chart just to do this. So we'll play around. We'll see how accurate it is. Also, wanted to talk about this. This is on cryptocell.guru. I started using this app today, and I'm actually monitoring my claims on it. I don't really want to show my addresses and all, but I thought about it earlier, but I was like, some things should be private. But if you go to Claim Monitor, it's super easy way. You take it like an Excel spreadsheet, like a lot of us have set up. You just copy paste them all in there, and voila, you have a system set to track your crypto and for Zen, and it tells you when your mint dates, your claim dates are coming up, and it's pretty dang cool to tell you the truth. So I suggest you guys to start using this for that. And as you can see right now, the global rank is at 1,902,997 and growing. And maximum term is 412 days. I mean, there's just so much information in here, guys. I don't want to bore you. I want you to use it and start to look into it. All right. Like I said, I'm going to start keeping all my videos short. So I'm going to leave it at that. Remember, subscribe. Each and every one of you watching right now, if you're a Zen fan and a Hex fan, why? Please help a brother out, all right? Now, I do like other cryptos like Cardano and stuff, but I'm going to try to start separating videos out. So please make sure you take a moment and subscribe, hit the like button, and leave comments. Let's talk Zen. All right, guys, till next time. Peace out.